In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up and use Top Echelon's job board. If you're looking for a powerful tool to streamline your recruitment process, you're in the right place. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share an exclusive way to try Top Echelon's job board completely free. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Top Echelon account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up and get started with the platform. Once logged in, head over to the job board section. This is where the magic happens. The job board is a space where you can post open positions, search for candidates, and connect with other recruiters in your network. To get started, click on the Post a Job button. You'll be prompted to fill out a job description form. This is where you add details like the job title, the type of position, location, salary range, and of course, the skills and qualifications required. Top Echelon's platform lets you tailor the job description to attract the right candidates, so make sure to include key keywords for SEO. Once you've filled out the job posting, you can make it live right away or schedule it for a later time. You also have the option to add specific tags to help categorize the job for easier searching. This feature is especially useful for candidates who are actively looking for certain job types. After your job is posted, it's time to start looking for candidates. Top Echelon's job board allows you to search a vast database of resumes, filter by specific criteria like experience level, skills, and location. It's like having a recruitment agency at your fingertips. The search functionality is robust, making it easy to narrow down your options to find the best fit for the position you're hiring for. Additionally, you can save your searches, so if you're recruiting for similar roles in the future, you won't have to re-enter all your filters. This can save you time and ensure you're reaching out to the right candidates consistently. One of the standout features of Top Echelon's job board is the integration with the rest of their recruiting platform. You can track candidate submissions, collaborate with your team, and even communicate directly through the platform. This keeps everything in one place, making it easier to stay organized and efficient throughout the recruitment process. Now, you may be wondering how this helps you as a recruiter or business owner. The answer is simple: efficiency. With Top Echelon's job board, you're able to manage multiple job openings, screen candidates, and collaborate with your team all in one place. This reduces the back and forth communication, improves your ability to find the right candidate faster, and helps you fill positions with top talent. Before I wrap up, remember that you can use Top Echelon's job board completely free from the link below. Plus, by using that link, you'll gain access to exclusive bonuses and an extended free trial. So, if you're serious about taking your recruitment process to the next level, don't miss out on this opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide on how to set up and use Top Echelon's job board has helped you understand how to leverage the platform.